Hello kids, how are you all? Golden color, blue color, red color, green color, black color, brown color. So kids, today we are learn alphabets and numbers. A for angel. Angel means pari. B for bucket. Bucket means balti. C for camel. Camel means
D
ऊंट.
for doctor. Doctor means चिकित्सक. E. E for earth. Earth means पृथ्वी. Earth means पृथ्वी.
Blue color. One. One means egg. One means egg. Two. Two means दो. Two means दो. Three. Three means तीन. Three means तीन. Four. Four means चार. Four means चार. Five. Five means पाँच. Five means पाँच. A B C D E. 1 2 3 4 5. Brown color, black color, green color, red color, blue color, golden color. Please like and subscribe.